Hey everyone, welcome back. We are going to explore a fully procedural effect that is both fun to work with and very useful in production. We will create this technical futuristic transition that reveals our hero object. This technique is not just limited to this effect. It's more of a system that I use very often, both in client and personal work. From simple reveal dissolve style effects to cinema 4D demograph type animation and much more. Based on your recent feedback, I decided to finally create a full tutorial on Karma, which will be included in chapter 2. We'll cover how to set up the scene in Solaris, work with materials and lighting. Whether you just started or already been using Karma for a while, it will be a good supplement for you. And finally, in the third chapter, we will do something new. We will cover how to do a basic compositing in DaVinci Resolve Fusion. I'll be using the free version of Resolve, so if you've been thinking about starting Resolve or Fusion, this could be a great moment for you to jump in and check it out. I hope you will enjoy it and see you in the chapter 1.